Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mr. Chutke helping you out with the basic fundamentals of chemistry. Now today's question is the type of oxides. Which are the different type of oxides present? Children often struggle. Oxide is a radical. Okay, basically oxide is a radical like oxygen alone, okay, with its own valency. That's this radical oxide. So oxygen obviously is having an atomic number of 8 with an electronic configuration of 2,6, and it requires 2 more electrons to complete its octet, and therefore the valency is -2. So O minus 2 is your oxide. What is this? O minus 2 is oxide. Now what is peroxide? We are doing types of oxide. So first one is the plain oxide, then we'll do peroxide, then superoxide. We'll do that one by one, and like this we are going to have a total of 9 different type of oxides. Okay, so this is an oxide O minus 2. Peroxide is 2 oxygens together. Now have a look at the oxygen molecule first. Okay, so the oxygen molecule, dioxygen molecule, is O2 with O double bond O, sharing a double bond to complete its valency and complete its octet, O double bond O. Similarly, peroxide is O single bond O. Now obviously you understand that when oxygen is not getting satisfied with its valency, that is the double bond, it is having only a single bond, O single bond O. So both the oxygens will develop a negative charge, -1 and -1. Now if you get this together, this is 2 oxygens together, that's why O2, and the charge -1 plus -1 will become -2. So O2 minus 2 is nothing but peroxide. O2 minus 2 is nothing but peroxide. Now then what is superoxide? Superoxide is also O2 but not -2, it is -1. O2 raised to the charge or -1. The charge on superoxide is -1. That means one of the oxygens will be stable and the other oxygen is not stable. So O2 minus 1 is superoxide. Okay, so the type of oxides we have covered till now is oxide, peroxide, superoxide. Let's move on to what is an acidic oxide. An acidic oxide is a substance or a compound which will give you an acid on addition of water. For example, we are having SO2, CO2, NO2. Okay, so all these, you must have studied this in acid rain, that these are the oxides, these are the pollutants which go up into the air, they combine with the clouds and water, and when they combine they form acids, and when they rain, that is causing acid rain, isn't it? So when you add water to these acids, these are basic addition reactions. Okay, or you can say not addition, sorry, they are combination reactions. Okay, so combination reactions, you just even if you are new at doing these kind of reactions, you can just add them. O2 plus O1, this will become O3, and this is H2SO3. okay, so it's a combination reaction. H2SO3 will give you what? Sulfurous acid. What is this? This is sulfurous acid. Then this will give you H2CO3. Do it in a similar way. It will give you H2CO3, carbonic acid. Sulfurous acid, sulfuric acid ka chota bhai. Sulfuric acid is H2SO4. This is H2SO3, sulfurous acid. Then CO2 plus H2 gives carbonic acid, H2CO3, and H2O plus NO2 will give you nitric acid, HNO3. So these are the acidic oxides. Now let's do basic oxides. Okay, what are basic oxides? Obviously you must have guessed it by now that basic oxides are those which on addition of water will give you a base or a hydroxide base. So have a look at this. MgO is a basic oxide, CaO is a basic oxide. Reason? Because when you combine it with water, it's giving you MgOH twice, magnesium hydroxide. So how? This H2O will split into H plus and OH minus, of course, right? So this H is combining with this oxygen, so it will become OH, another OH getting attached over here, you get MgOH twice. Same goes with CaO. You add water to this and you will get what? CaOH twice. Okay, CaOH twice, calcium hydroxide. These are basic oxides. Then we also have neutral oxides. Okay, neutral oxides. Now what are neutral oxides? Obviously when you add water, they're giving you neutral liquids, that is NO and CO. These are neutral oxides. Okay, mind you, NO2 was an acidic oxide, CO2 was an acidic oxide, but NO, this is nitric oxide, and CO, that is carbon monoxide, are neutral oxides. Okay, what are they? They are neutral oxides. So then what is amphoteric oxide? Amphoteric oxides are those, see, like amph. What do you mean by the word amph? Amph meaning what? They are both acidic as well as basic. See, amph basically means both. For example, amphibian. Amphibian is an animal which can live on the land as well as inside the water, so it is called as an amphibian. Similarly, amphoteric is a substance which can react with an acid as well as a base. So amphoteric oxide should be a substance which can react with an acid as well as a base. Example is Al2O3. Along with Al2O3 we are having zinc oxide. Zinc oxide is also amphoteric oxide. These both oxides are amphoteric because Al2O3 can react with an acid, okay, and as well as it can react with a base. So here you will get AlCl3 plus H2O. Okay, I've not balanced the equation. Then zinc oxide plus we'll do the reaction of Al2O3 with the base first. Okay, Al2O3 with a base. Here it is reacting, here it was reacting with an acid. Now here it is reacting with a base. So here you will get NaAlO2, sodium aluminate. Okay, sodium aluminate, and here you're getting AlCl3. So you can see that what I wanted to prove is you can see that Al2O3 can react with an acid as well as a base, hence it is an amphoteric oxide. Same goes with zinc oxide as well. Zinc oxide with HCl will give you ZnCl2 plus H2O. Okay, ZnCl2 plus H2O. Okay, and same zinc oxide, I'm not balancing the equations. So same zinc oxide can react with NaOH also to form Na2ZnO2, sodium zincate. So you can see over here, what I wanted to prove again is the zinc oxide can react with acid as well as base, hence it is an amphoteric oxide. So just recollect which all oxides have we done. We have done a normal oxide, then peroxide, then superoxide. Then we did acidic oxide, basic oxide, neutral oxide, and amphoteric oxide. Okay, so we have done these 7 kind of oxides. We are left with 2 more. So what is a mixed oxide? Okay, so mixed oxide is the one which is formed by the mixture of 2 oxides, right? Mixture of 2 oxides. Like say for example, Pb3O4 is formed by the mixture of PbO and Pb2O3. So if you can just add O1 plus O3 is O4, okay, and Pb1 plus 2 is 3, Pb3O4. So Pb3O4 is a mixed oxide, okay, and then what are these two? These two are the suboxides. So the 8th type is the suboxides and the 9th type is the mixed oxides. So here we have done a total 9 type of oxides.